Hi, my name is Matthew Habrish. Welcome to this Utilities Technical Tip, which will talk about a tip concerning a way to modify SolidWorks files or read information from them without needing to open them in SolidWorks. Opening files in SolidWorks may take a significant amount of time. That's why there is an existing method to do some operations without opening files. The tool that permits these operations is called Document Manager. A thing to note is that this tool requires the use of a code, which is renewable for each major release of SolidWorks, and it is available via the SolidWorks customer portal. This number is used on every application launch based on the Document Manager. As seen here, a session of SolidWorks 2017 is open for demonstration purposes, since the application is built with the macro. Using Document Manager is a different thing than opening SolidWorks, but it's not showing it. Regarding Document Manager, no SolidWorks session is opened during the process. So macro is executed in the 2017 version, but it will run as the 2018 version. Large amounts of operations are possible with the Document Manager, even if they are more limited than SolidWorks itself, since it doesn't have access to all of the file's data, especially regarding features used to build the file. Right here, we will see 3 of them. For the first application, we can see a simple disk containing a sketch, which itself contains text. The second text line is an error because custom properties, which is supposed to display text, is missing. The application task is to access the file's custom properties and to modify them. Then we can see that the upper text has been changed and that the bottom text property has been created. For the second case, Document Manager simply catches and sends back a quantity of components counted in the assembly. The third application task is to display names of the drawing sheets and to save them. Maybe you've noticed for the 2 previous applications that the number indicates under which version the document was saved. Number 10,000 indicates version 2017 of SolidWorks, since number 11,000 is used to designate the 2018 release. It is also good to note that the saved document keeps the compatibility to the version you're using prior to saving. Thank you.